Hi, this is the VIVO Y36 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So you could hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And also you could just hold for a while home screen with your finger, select a couple of applications and tap to create folder button. So we got two different types two different ways how we could create the new home screen folder on our VIVO device. If you want to rename the folder, just tap on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To move folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. To remove the application from here, hold and tap it to remove icon. To remove it also by another way to the home screen, you should just hold and just move it to your home screen, and that's it. And also you could rename the application by another way, just hold for a while the app and tap to rename. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.